So let us discuss about the ENUM. Actually, what is actually the ENUM? Basically, the ENUM is used. This is, you can say it in a simple language, that this is a group of const. It puts some constants value, and normally ENUM is used. Suppose there are some functions which arguments which it takes, that are some predefined values. For example, there is gender. So if set gender or get gender, if there is a method, then simply it will take you from only the three arguments, that is male, female, and third one is, you can say, heterogender, I think. I don't know what's actually the name for that. So only the three constants we need to define that. Now, if you want, there is a method, suppose set day or get day. Then in that case, we have only seven: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday. In this way, there are seven arguments that it can take. We can direct, if you want direction, then we have north, south, east, west. So in this way. So if we talk about this method, so we take some enum at that place, so that confusion won't be there. Because suppose you are going to take argument which takes an integer type as an argument, because here what are the constant that you define, that was that those are the integer. And if you have here, suppose Sunday is at first place, so this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this way. So if suppose there is a method set day and you are passing 0, it will set you for, it will set Sunday for you. And but if you are passing a number at that particular point, then the user may put 8, 9, 10, 11 in confusion. So that may create a confusion for that. So if you are going to create an enum, so it will simply day dot Sunday, day dot Monday, day dot Tuesday, day dot Wednesday, in this way. So there is a lesser chance to have to pass illegal arguments to particular method. That is why enum are preferred or at those positions. Since enum contains all constants, so normally it is convention to have write the name of the fields inside the enum in a uppercase letters. So this is the thing. And if you want to create an enum, simply you have a you can declare an enum public enum day, and in that you have to just pass the names, because all are by default here int. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, these are it is declared, and you can see here, and the Sunday will have a 0 value, Monday will have 1, Tuesday 2, and this way this will be there. So this is the thing. More about the enum is that it has some predefined if-then methods also. So if when you are going to create an enum, automatically it has some methods declared in that. For example, you can see here we have a static method named values. What it does, it will have automatically inside that. There is a name method inside that. So name will be automatically inside that particular method. Enum, if you are not going to create a name, even though the name method will be there, values method will be there inside that enum. And the parent of enum are java.lang.enum actually is a default extended class, extended enum inside that. One more thing, the important part is that here you can see that enum, as I told, implicitly extends java.lang.enum, and other enum cannot be extended inside a enum. Means explicitly, if you want to extend some enum to a particular your declared enum, then that is not possible, because Java language does not support multiple inheritance of state, because here we're declaring the states in only if there are states in an enum. So if we are going to have extending the enum, other enum, and there are some enum in java.lang.enum in class, so that will, sorry, in Java enum class, then that will, uh, what will happen, that state inheritance, multiple state inheritance takes place over there, so that is not allowed. So you cannot extend any enum inside that. Second is that important point about the enum is that the constructor retained inside the enum can have only two type of access modifiers, that is the package label, or you can have a private. So these are the things here, the package label or private, that is the package private is allowed, and this is the thing what happens. It only creates the constant that are defined at the beginning of the enum body. You cannot invoke an enum constructor yourself. So enum constructors are not invoked by yourself. They are already invoked by inside implicitly to create the constants. So this is the thing about some important points of the enum. You can see here one example also I have declared here for enum. In the list, here also the one point is that if you are going to declare enum, suppose it's a planet here, then first of all you need to have you need to define all the constants, and then other properties, means other data member you need to declare over there. So all the constants are declared at the top, and then fields and methods are declared. If you want to go to declare a field before and then after this particular uh, constants, then it will generate error for us. So first, it's constants are declared, then fields are declared, you can say, and the methods are declared inside that. So fields and methods can be ups and down, but constants are declared first in the case of enum. So this is how it works. So you can see here how we are declaring the constants inside a plan. Uh, Once the declaration of this particular constant is over, then you must end that particular with a semicolon, as here it is. You can see this is here it is done, and then after it is mass, radius, these are declared, and here one constructor is there, that is double mass, double radius, and that text is dot mass, is dot radius. Here this is the value, mass and radius are put here. So whenever that you are going to call this particular enum, if you are going to, suppose you are going to call enum dot planet dot markery, then what will happen? Internally it will invoke this particular constructor planet, and the value set inside that will go as an argument in that. So it is here, this will go as a mass, and this will go as a radius inside that. So this happens when you call planet.mercury. So internally the constructor is invoked. You do not need to invoke the constructor from outside the enum. So this is the thing how it works.